Hi everybody, welcome to another edition of James Jam. I'm Jame. This is my jam. And I have two things to show you. One is basically a reveal and the other is an unboxing. The unboxing is from Coach. And the reveal, I'm just really excited about. I have in the past worked with Naomi from Naomi Crafted. And I received a gift from her in the mail yesterday and was just super surprised and super pleased, and I really liked it, so I wanted to share it with you guys. So it came just packaged in this box and then in just this little bag. You know, bag's nothing special, just a little plastic bag. It would probably keep moisture out if the box were to have gotten wet. But I got this little cute bag from Naomi Crafted. So let's just pull this out here. Okay. So it smells really good. And the leather is just nice. So it's a tiny little...
It's a baby Easter bag.
So there's the front, the side, the back, the other side. The bottom does have feet. You got to take the little plasticky pieces off the feet yet.
Practicing safe walking.
I love that it's silver hardware. And then it's got zipper here. Oops. And then it's really well stuffed. But what's really cool too is okay, so the outside is chev leather. It's just nice and scrumptious is how I describe it. And then the interior is lambskin. And it's got one card holder on the inside.
Is that like a lime green?
Yeah, I would say that. It's close to the color.
Lamb.
Because it's definitely lighter than
Silence of
the greens.
Sorry.
The green. So, yeah, it's just a cute little bag. I want to give you an idea about how, of course I can't grab all right, let's just grab my little mulberry wallet. That's the one I used last week. So if you put the wallet in here, it would fit. You'd still have room for, you know,
your chapstick,
phone, keys. I mean, you definitely can get the essentials in here. I liken this to something like using one of my Tabby 20s. I bet you could fit as much in here as you could a Tabby 20.
So like a vacation purse?
Right, that's what I'm going to consider it. Or
bag.
It's so nice. And it's just...
Scrumptious.
It's scrumptious. It is. And the attention to detail is phenomenal. I look at bags even more careful now, I think, because I've been making some myself. And, you know, with bag kits, not like I can do this. But I just, so checking out the stitching, the edging, especially the bottoms. Because when you're making bags yourself, it's super hard to do the bottoms. This is just beautiful. And then it comes with a obviously removable strap.
Why is it obvious?
I don't know, maybe because it's not attached to the bag. Strap here. And I would say that this would be more of a shoulder strap. This is not going to go crossbody on me, not unless I want it under my armpit. Crossbodied.
It's holding my deodorant, so maybe.
But this is super nice too. So, and then it's set up to do that cross thing. So,
like hot cross buns?
Okay, I'm not going to try to take the tape off here
now. Okay.
But it goes here and here. So if you don't like that, if you don't like that, the cool thing is that, like, right now, this is a handcrafted bag. Naomi doesn't, like, have some of these on hand. If you were interested in one, you'd just contact her. And then she would go over all the details with you, what kind of leather you wanted, what color, what interior, what hardware. And then you could request that the straps not be attached that way. That's the cool thing. She does they very much resemble other companies' bags, even though this is smaller than anything that it would, the brand I know of that has a bag like this would have. But it's just neat that you can
kind of customize.
Right, everything. Like, again, the interior being lambskin, the outside is chev. Mysore chev, is that what it's called? But it's just, it's beautiful. So I thought I'd show you and thank Naomi for such a great bag. But and these are really, really, really reasonably priced. Definitely in the line of like maybe a nice Coach bag, and instead you're getting a custom
luxury.
Yeah, and I believe she can even do some printing on the bags if that's something that interests you as well. So I'll link her down in the description box down below. She also gave me a 10% off discount code for you. So if you go to her website and use my link, I think it's Jame10, you get 10% off your order.
Cameraman 10?
No, it's not Cameraman 10. But yeah, I just thought it was really neat. And she's very responsive. She gets back to you right away. And I think she has really, really upped her game. I have other bags by her. I have ones that I've purchased myself. And I think most of the bags I've had, except for one, I've purchased myself. And I can tell you that, and I don't mean this as an insult, but her craftsmanship is definitely improving. Not that there was anything wrong with any of the bags I've gotten before, but wow. There's just, that bag, from what I can tell, is flawless. And I'm really pleased and think she's really come a long way. And she used to just do bags with dust bags, and now she's doing bags with leather, and just incredible. So yeah. All right, now onto my Coach bag.
Oh, you told us.
Yeah,
Okay.
I said before.
We weren't listening.
Oh, by we you mean you? Or do you have a mouse in your pocket?
I mean the captivated audience.
So
Smart ass.
I tried to get something from the original launch with the powder pink and the denim, and I couldn't. And then because I didn't get that, I ended up buying my Coach Rowan, which we know that I love. Where is it? Right now, right here. I just got out of it, so I bought that instead because I wanted the pink, powder pink one, and couldn't get it. I also wanted something from the denim line, couldn't get it, so I bought my Coach tote with the cherries. Just grab that here quick and show you right here. So they had the second drop. So your girl was right online right away. Sorry, I don't know why I did that. I could have done that anytime. I went online right away, tried to get something. Everything was sold out right away again. As far as I wanted a Rowan in the powder pink or the love denim in this size. Yeah, that wasn't happening. So what I did get, and I'm not 100% sure if I'm going to keep it or not yet, just because of the size, is it's still a Rowan, and you can probably see it through here. It's very well packaged.
It's not the powder pink.
Nope. It is the love denim.
And the little sister size?
Yeah, and then it's got, okay, so it is about the same size. It's the mini denim. I have the denim in the jacquard up there.
Jacquard.
I got the large one and then the mini. And here's another mini, and I just don't know if I want to keep this because, so I'm not going to take it all apart because of it's just not a size that, if I didn't have so many vacation bags like the one I just showed you, I would get one right away, which actually I could show you the difference. So here's like the size wise, if you're wondering how big this bag is or how small this bag is. But I just, excuse me, it's just not the size I wanted.
So why'd you buy it?
I'm going to have to give it some thought because I really wanted something, even though I got the one with the cherries. But now I'm thinking maybe I should get an LOD, or I just don't use these small ones enough, but maybe I should. In fact, I went thrifting a couple weeks ago, and it was so nice to just have the little bag. And half the time I use, again, my Coach tabbies. But this would be neat too. I don't know. I'll have to let you know if I decide to keep it. Should I keep it? Should I not keep it? Okay, stop shaking your thing. No, I do want to. I have to look inside. I feel bad doing this, because I have to look inside. I just want to see what they look like. Okay, so they have the dark black or dark blue. It looks like fabric interior. I just didn't know if there was going to be a surprise, like in my taxi with the stripes, which I just thought was phenomenal. Okay, let's look at what this fits to. Okay, now I'm going to end up taking this part. I shouldn't, because I had the other one up there. Okay, let's just look compared this way. So you maybe get a wallet in there, and then again, it's just going to be like your phone, maybe sunglasses, readers. I guess I could fit everything I needed.
Yeah, because it's thicker the other way.
Right.
There you go.
So, I don't know. I really like denim bags. And stop it. And so, I don't know. What do you guys think? Should I get it? Should I just keep the I am keeping the signature one. I think I like this better than that one. But this one I like too because the handles are denim instead of the vachetta leather. And that's probably not, it's probably neither here nor there. Maybe they'll wear more and pill up. I don't know. But I just think this one looks, okay, it doesn't look cooler. It looks as good though. It's just such a cute bag. It's just such a cute bag. But I do have the one I'm using right now, the carry bag, which I really like. The carry bag fits everything I want it to. This will fit everything I want it to. So maybe it would be good to have just this little one that, fits stuff. So I'm going to think about it. I know your opinion, honey.
If you're on team send it back, please comment below.
Yeah. And look I like that Marc is there. Oh, I love that. The used look of the denim. Yeah, why do you want used look? Comes with a little pink keychain and a little blue one and a little keychain or charm. Oh, jeez. I'm going to have to think about it. I'm not going to take any more of it out. The strap is denim. Gold hardware. I wish it was silver. But you probably couldn't see it then, so I guess gold is a better choice. So, yeah, here's the bag, no feet. Oh, what do you think? Okay, so I'm just talking with you here. Now I have this bag, and I got it for free, so it's not going anywhere. And then I have my little miniature horse bag that fits about the same amount. And clearly the Coach in the denim jacquard. And then the 6 tabby 20s. And then you'd think, okay, well, Jamie, you already have. So 6, 7, 8, 9 small bags, really.
Fix your horse bag.
How many? Oops. He's trying to gallop away, apparently. There he goes. So how many small bags do you need? And then I would think, if that's true, I mean, I don't need that many, but then I look, well, do I really need, 50 to 100 handbags? No. So, and then this also would probably fall in line with that, although that I'm going to try to use as an everyday bag. I have not used this yet, and I'm going to try to use my hug bag as an everyday bag. What are the sizes on that?
It's called a hug bag.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so this is bigger.
Mm-hmm.
So I think this will hold more than that.
If it's bigger, it usually does.
Not always, though.
Usually.
Depends. Like, what if you got a Coach quilted, the old ones that were so puffy you couldn't fit anything in them?
They're great pillows.
This is beautiful. I gotta use this. This has to be, now that it's spring, I can use it, or I'll be more apt to use it. So I'm hoping that's an everyday bag. I also think my mischief bags could be by every day, I mean, use it for a week. So maybe what I should do, no, well, is try this or try the other one and see if I can use it for the week and how it would work. But it's just such a cute bag. I don't know. I just don't know yet. I'm gonna have to decide. Put down in the comments below, yay or nay. What do you guys think? Should I keep it? Should I not?
Should she keep it or should it go?
Should it stay or should it go? Yeah, that's my reveal unboxing for you today. Let me know what you think. Check out Naomi if you get a chance. I don't think you'll be disappointed. I just don't know. I think that's everything I have. If you like this video, or even if you don't, please consider subscribing. I
hate this. Where's the subscribe button?
Well, whatever. It's worth a shot. It's free. Maybe someone doesn't like this, but they think, but I would like to be nice to her.
I have a hate subby.
So, no. I don't
strongly dislike subby?
No. I mean, they don't even... It might be content that doesn't interest them, but they like me and they want to be nice.
They like you.
It was just my birthday.
They really like you.
That's what I could give her, even though I'm not interested whatsoever in her. So, anyways, I typically put out videos on Wednesdays and Saturdays in regards to both luxury and contemporary handbags, small leather goods, things like that. Other times there's a few other things I'll throw in there, whatever's my jam, like perfume, jewelry, shoes, sometimes clothes, but mostly it's luxury and contemporary handbag related items or small leather goods. On Mondays I do bag swaps, where I swap from my current bag and then I go into the next bag. I always carry my bags a week. Although, like I said, when I go on a special little shopping trip, I'll pull out a smaller one to use in the meantime, so I don't have to pull around the bigger bags, even though they're not big. So yeah, bag swaps on Mondays. If you haven't already found me, I'm over on Instagram as well at James Jam. It's just JAME_S_Jam. And until next time, please do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Thank you so much for watching.